Hey guys, Jacob Drojan here. Today I'll show you how to play Xbox games on your iPhone. So first, what you want to do is go onto your Xbox. Next, press on Settings and go down to Devices and Connections and press on Remote Features. Then enable Remote Features. Then open the App Store and press on Search. Then search for Xbox and download the Xbox app. Once that's downloaded, open it. Next, press on the Xbox logo at the top right corner and press on Remote Play on this device. Then press on Continue. And let's just wait for this to load. And then you need to connect your Xbox controller to your device. I made a video on how to do that. The link for it will be in the description. And now, as you can see, you'll be able to play Xbox games on your iPhone. And to go back to the Xbox app, tap on the screen, press on the three dots, tap on disconnect, and press on disconnect again, and now you'll be back to the Xbox app.